How to change download settings from Wi-Fi to mobile data in YouTube. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this very video tutorial I will be teaching you how you can change the very download settings from Wi-Fi to mobile data in your YouTube. For this, at first you have to launch your YouTube application on your device. After that, you can go to the very icon of the settings, that is the gear like icon on the top side. Then you can just scroll down. Then here you can see the interface like this. You can go to the option of general. After tapping on the option of your general, now here you can just scroll down. After scrolling down, if you see the option of managing it, it's okay. Otherwise, you can go to the option of your data in the YouTube. After tapping on the option of your data in YouTube, it will take you to an interface like this. If it's being a little lazier, then what you can do is you can go to the next option as well. You can go to the very option of going to the very downloads. After tapping on the option of downloads, now here in the option of download over Wi-Fi only, you have to just go to the option of just making it to the very data just by disabling this very option, and you are done. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.